Bring your hands to your lap in any comfortable way. Close your eyes if that feels safe enough for you. Tune into your natural breathing, your unaltered breath. We're not changing anything, just noticing. Consider what's riding on your breath today, your emotions, experiences, thoughts. What are you bringing on your mat with you today? Don't need to investigate or get wrapped up in it, but only to notice, to acknowledge. We'll even ask the mind if it would be willing to set these things aside for this short practice so we can be more fully present. Let your body get a little heavier, a little more relaxed. Let your hands get heavier. Notice the temperature of your hands, either on your lap or perhaps one hand in the other. I'd like you to imagine the base of your skull, the occipital ridge where your spine meets your skull. This is where your brainstem is. The amygdala lives here. This is the oldest part of our brain. This is the part of your brain that's responsible for regulating your body temperature, for letting you know if there is danger, real or perceived. As you imagine this area, I'd like you to repeat after me. You are safe enough. Continue to imagine this region of your brain and repeat, we are safe enough. And last one, I am safe enough. Allow for a few organic, natural breaths. Now I invite you to bring your awareness to the center of your brain, the place between your ears. This is your limbic brain, the part of your brain that feels, that seeks connection. It holds memories. So to this part of the brain, let's repeat, you are connected and resourced enough. We are connected and resourced enough. I am connected and resourced enough. Let your body get a little heavier, a little more relaxed. Bring your awareness to the front of your head, your forehead, the top of your head. This is your neocortex. the part of your brain that can plan, that can evaluate, that can judge. Repeat, you are enough. We are enough. I am enough. Relax your body. And check in. How does your body feel? Perhaps sense it making contact with the earth, or sense your whole body weight in this space and time. Bring some awareness to your breathing. And finally, check in with your mind, your thoughts, emotions. If you'd like to bring your hands to heart center, I welcome you to do so. With a gentle bow to your heart, thank you for letting me share some of my yoga practice with you and for sharing some of yours with me.